TradeStation tutorial for beginners. Just downloaded TradeStation and have no idea where to start? This tutorial will walk you through the basics. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to placing your first trade, all in one simple walkthrough. Alright, to open the account is very simple, guys. You just go into the official website on the home page and click on open the account. Just fill in your personal details, verify your identity, and once your account is approved, download TradeStation desktop platform or use the web version if you prefer. Then, understanding the interface. So when you open it up, you'll see several key sections. The quote panel for real-time prices, chart analysis, for technical study, order bar to place quick trades, and the position and balances panel to track your portfolio. You can drag, resize and save layouts, so take a minute to organize your workspace the way you like. After that, to start tracking a stock or ETF, type its ticker symbol into the quote panel, for example AAPL for Apple. You'll instantly see live bid, ask, last price and volume data. You can also create watch list by right-clicking in the panel and selecting new list, then add multiple tickers for easy market monitoring. And then from there, click apps, chart analysis to open up a chart. From here, you can change the time frame, switch between candlestick or line views, and right-click to add indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MAST. TradeStation has hundreds of built-in tools, and you can even code your own using easy language if you want custom indicators later on. And then placing the order is also simple. You enter your symbol, you choose buy or sell, select your order type, then click preview to review your trade before sending. You'll see your position appear under positions, along with real-time profit and loss updates. And also, if you're a beginner, don't risk real money right away. TradeStation includes a simulated trading mode. Go to File, Preferences, Trading, and Simulated Account, and switch it on. This lets you practice strategies using live market data without any financial risk. And also, it has mobile app for iOS and Android. You can monitor charts, place orders, and get alerts just like on desktop. It's perfect for checking on your portfolio when you're away from your computer. And for ongoing learning, check out the TradeStation University inside the platform. There you will find video tutorials, webinars, and other things. It's a great way to deepen your understanding as you progress. And that's it, your TradeStation beginner setup is ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more trading guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.